Creating a successful faceless YouTube channel and combining it with a Snapchat account can unlock a powerful income-generating strategy. While many creators focus on one platform, diversifying between YouTube and Snapchat enables you to reach different audiences, leverage both platforms' unique features, and maximize earning potential through various revenue streams. This diversification broadens your reach and provides a more stable and secure financial strategy, ensuring you're not solely reliant on one income source. Step 1. Establish your faceless YouTube channel. Starting with a faceless YouTube channel allows you to create content without showing your face, offering a high level of privacy while tapping into various content formats. Popular faceless content categories include listicles or top 10 videos, educational content, finance, and entrepreneurship. Emphasizing the creation of valuable and informative content is critical to appealing to a wide range of viewers. Remember, it's quality over quantity. Posting too frequently with low-quality videos can actually hurt your retention rates. It's better to focus on creating fewer, more polished videos that genuinely engage viewers and hold their attention. This focus on quality over quantity reassures you that you're on the right track to building a loyal and engaged audience, and instills confidence in your content creation approach, ensuring that your efforts are well spent and your audience is well served. Once your channel starts gaining traction, the YouTube Partner Program can provide a primary revenue source. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within the past 12 months to qualify. Meeting these requirements unlocks monetizing through ad revenue, a critical component for long-term growth. Step 2. Leverage AI tools for automation. AI tools can be integrated into your process to streamline content creation without compromising quality. For instance, TubeMagic helps with YouTube SEO, including titles, descriptions, and tags that improve your content's discoverability. It also provides keyword suggestions to ensure your videos are optimized for search. This empowerment through AI tools lets you focus on your creative process, knowing that the technical aspects are handled efficiently. These tools are not meant to replace human creativity, but to enhance it by taking care of repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on the more creative aspects of content creation. Regarding video production, InVideo AI allows you to automate the creation of video visuals, sync stock footage with your script, and even add text overlays to make your videos more engaging. For voiceovers, you can use tools like InVideo, Descript, or Synthesia to convert your script into natural-sounding voiceovers, saving you from recording your voice. Contrary to popular belief, automation doesn't mean low quality. Combining AI tools with human creativity allows you to produce high-quality videos faster, giving you more time to focus on growing your audience. Step 3. Monetize your faceless YouTube channel with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the most lucrative ways to monetize a YouTube channel. With faceless content, you can seamlessly promote products related to your niche without being on camera. For example, a tech review channel could include affiliate links for gadgets and software in the video description. Each time a viewer clicks on one of your affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ShareASale, or CJ Affiliate provide thousands of products and services you can promote. The key here is to build trust with your audience. Be selective about the products you promote and only recommend things that align with your content's focus. The contrarian view is that many creators believe that more affiliate links equal more income, but bombarding viewers with many affiliate products can decrease engagement and trust. Focusing on a few high-quality products such as tech gadgets, software tools, or educational resources will lead to better conversion rates in the long run. Step 4. Use Snapchat to build an audience and drive traffic. Despite being an underutilized platform for YouTube creators, Snapchat offers significant potential for growing your YouTube audience and making money. Its short-form content format is perfect for promoting clips from your YouTube videos and directing users back to your channel. This untapped potential of Snapchat can be a game-changer for your audience growth strategy, opening up new avenues for reaching and engaging with viewers. Embrace this opportunity with optimism and excitement. It can transform your content strategy and surge your audience numbers. Here's how to use Snapchat to drive traffic to your faceless YouTube channel. Start by creating a Snapchat business account. This allows you to access advanced features like Snapchat ads and insights into your audience. With a business account, you can run ads to promote your YouTube channel, gain insights into your audience's demographics and behavior, and use these advanced features to tailor your content and promotional strategies more effectively. For instance, you can target your ads to specific demographics that are more likely to be interested in your content, thereby increasing the effectiveness of your promotions. The business account also provides analytics that can help you understand your audience better and create content that resonates with them. Promote your YouTube content with snaps. Share snippets or teasers from your YouTube videos in your Snapchat stories. These quick, engaging clips will catch users' attention and prompt them to visit your YouTube channel to watch the full video. For example, you can share a short, intriguing clip from your latest video and encourage viewers to swipe up to watch the full video on your YouTube channel. Don't underestimate the power of cross-promotion. Snapchat's younger demographic can be a goldmine for promoting your YouTube content. You can effectively increase your YouTube channel's visibility by tailoring your promotions to resonate with Snapchat's audience. Include a swipe-up link to your YouTube video in your Snapchat stories to make it easy for users to click through and watch your content. This cross-promotion strategy empowers you to control and expand your content distribution, reaching a wider audience and increasing your income potential. The contrarian perspective is that many creators dismiss Snapchat as too niche or irrelevant for growing a YouTube channel. However, the platform's popularity among younger audiences and its focus on short, engaging content can actually help amplify your reach. By leveraging Snapchat, you can tap into a different audience demographic and increase your overall visibility, potentially leading to more income opportunities. Considering all perspectives and weighing the potential benefits against any perceived drawbacks is essential when deciding your content strategy. Step 5. Automate Snapchat content creation. Tools like Canva can help you design engaging Snapchat stories quickly and easily. Select the Snapchat story template to create a Snapchat story in Canva. Then you can add your own images, text, and other design elements to create a visually appealing story. InVideo AI can also help by generating short, bite-sized video clips that you can repurpose for your Snapchat stories, teasers, and ads. Using automated tools doesn't mean sacrificing quality. The trick is to use automation to handle repetitive tasks, like resizing content or adding text overlays, so you can focus on creativity and strategy. Step 6. Monetize Snapchat with ads and sponsorships. Snapchat has its own monetization methods that complement your YouTube income. You can earn money through Snapchat ads or sponsored posts. Once you've built a significant following on both platforms, brands may approach you for paid promotions on Snapchat. This potential for additional income should excite you and motivate you to explore all the possibilities of Snapchat, opening up new income streams and broadening your financial horizons. To start monetizing through Snapchat ads, use Snap Ads Manager to create engaging ads that can be shown to users as they swipe through stories. These ads can promote products directly or funnel viewers to your YouTube channel, where they can watch your content and engage with affiliate products. As your Snapchat account grows, you can also use Snapchat's Spotlight feature to promote your best videos. Spotlight rewards top-performing videos with payouts, offering another opportunity to make money on the platform. Step 7. Link everything back to YouTube for maximum monetization. The ultimate goal of combining YouTube and Snapchat is to funnel traffic between the two platforms, maximizing your earning potential. Use Snapchat to drive traffic to your YouTube videos and vice versa. This dual platform strategy increases your content's reach and helps build a loyal audience across different media types. The contrarian viewpoint is that many content creators focus solely on growing one platform, but diversifying across platforms increases your reach and provides more monetization options. Using both YouTube and Snapchat reduces your dependency on a single platform, making your business more resilient and adaptable to changes in the online landscape. A step-by-step strategy for success. Combining a faceless YouTube channel with Snapchat creates a diversified content strategy that boosts your visibility and opens up multiple income streams. Automation tools like TubeMagic and InVideo AI simplify the content creation process on both platforms, allowing you to focus on strategy and audience engagement. Start by creating high-quality, faceless content on YouTube and use Snapchat to promote that content to a broader audience. Leverage affiliate marketing and YouTube AdSense for initial monetization while building up your Snapchat following for additional revenue through ads and sponsorships. The contrarian view is that automation alone won't lead to success. You still need creativity and strategy to stand out. But when used wisely, automation tools can help you scale faster, make your workflow more efficient, and ultimately create a thriving online business.